Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we will discuss how we can install and set up Java JDK 22 on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. Java JDK 22 is the latest version of Java SE runtime environment. So for your Java project, if you need the latest version of Java JDK, then you can install and set up Java JDK 22. So for that, first of all, we have to download the installer file. To download the installer file, simply open any browser and search for Java and open the link from oracle.com. Don't worry about the download link. I'll put the download link in the description box. Here simply click on newest downloads option and here simply select Java SE 22. Now select your operating system. We are going to download it for Windows, so I'll simply select Windows and download x64-bit installer file. For that, simply click on this link. So here you can see it is downloading the installer file. So let me complete the download process. Once download complete, simply open the installer file. So here we have our Java SE Development Kit 22 setup window. So let me minimize the browser. Here click on next button. Here just keep everything to default. Don't change the installation settings. If you change the installation setting, then there will be error related to environment variable. So just keep everything to default. Then click on next button. And here you can see it is installing the latest version of Java SE Development Kit on our Windows operating system. Once the download is complete, simply close this installer window. Now simply open File Explorer, open C drive, open Programs files, and here look for Java folder. Simply open this folder and open JDK 22 folder. Now open the bin folder and copy this installation path. Now we have to set up environment variable to use the latest version of Java. For that, on the search option, search for settings and open the settings application. Click on system tab, scroll down. Here click on about option. Now click on advanced system settings. Here you will get system properties window. Simply click on advanced tab, then click on environment variable option. Now under system variables, simply look for path variable, select it, click on edit button. Now click on new button and paste the path of Java bin folder. Then click on OK. Here click on OK. Now click on OK button to save the environment variable settings. Now to check whether Java SE Development Kit 22 is set up or not, simply open command prompt. For that, on the search option, search for CMD and open command prompt application. Now here we have to run few commands. So first of all, let us check Java version installed on our Windows 11. For that, simply run Java space ---- version, then hit enter. And here you will get your current Java installation version, that is Java 22, Java SE runtime environment build number, and Java hotspot 64-bit server VM build number. Now to check whether Java compiler is working or not, you can simply run Java C command. If you get bunch of statement, that means Java JDK 22 is successfully set up on our Windows operating system. Now you can run latest version of Java application, or if you want to do Java programming, then you can install Eclipse IDE and start using the latest version of Java Development Kit. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.